What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to another reaction video, guys. Welcome back to another banger, another lit banger, man. Y'all already know what's going on, man. I don't even have to say too much. If you guys are new here, make sure to leave a like, comment, smash that subscribe button right now, bro. We are slowly creeping up on 500 subscribers, guys. So let's make sure we hit that, bro. Today we have Joseline, another Joseline's Cabaret. I think, bro, I don't know how to pronounce that word. Cabaret Atlanta cough scene, bro. This little thing been going viral, man, about Joseline. You know what I'm saying? Talking bad to one of her girls. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? I was like, damn, I want to see what happened because I seen a dude react to it. I didn't see the whole thing. I just seen, and then I seen on Instagram how a lot of people was mad at Joseline for a girl coughing. So I was like, damn, I wonder what happened. So, you know, your boy had to go look it out, man. Check it out. And I had to react to it. Like I said, if you guys are new here, make sure to leave a like, comment, smash, subscribe button. Without further ado, guys, y'all know I don't like doing too much talking. Man, let's go.
Now all of a sudden you want to leave because in one of the closest partners of the network. Who you coughing at? Oh shit. Who you coughing at? When I was talking, she started coughing. Bitch, like I'm some type of fucking germ. Bitch, I know you ain't coughing at me, ho.
Oh,
shit. You
shit.
can't be coughing at me, disrespectful ass bitch. Homeless ass hoe. Who you coughing
Damn.
at? Who you coughing at? I know you ain't coughing at me. Like, damn.
Man, Joseline act like she her mama.
I know you ain't coughing at me.
Note to self, never cough when Joseline's talking to you.
You think I'm trying to play with? You can cough at me when I'm telling you something?
I was choking on water.
Okay. You better be choking on water.
Oh, shit, man. I ain't gonna lie. One thing I like about Joseline, bro, like, she don't hold her tongue. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's one thing I've been liking about Joseline since I first started watching her on Love and Hip Hop. Like, she really don't hold her tongue, bro. If she got a problem with you, she gonna let you know. You know what I'm saying? She gonna talk her stuff. She ain't gonna back down. You know what I'm saying? That's one thing I like about her, man. But if you guys enjoyed the video, man, make sure to leave a like, comment, smash, subscribe button. Without further ado, guys, that is it. Go subscribe now. We slowly creeping up on 500. We gonna smack it. Peace out.